down the banks of the old man river, heavy air calling rain.
Hi guys. Hi guys. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Yatune for those who don't know. So once you see me come on your screen basically like disheveled, you know we're about to do our hair. So this time we are about to install crochet hair. I haven't done crochet in a little bit. I haven't done my hair in general in a little bit because your girl's been rocking the pixie for a little, but I'm tired of the short hair for now. And we just want to switch it up. QVR sent me some of their human hair crochet hair. This is the Afro Kinky Curly hair in 22 inches. I've seen a lot of girls post videos with this hair and it looks so good and natural. This is what it looks like straight out of the pack. Like nothing's been done to it yet. It does have that like hair smell where, you know, that new hair smell, it smells like that. So you might want to like wash it or just like at least spray something in it. But this is what the hair feels like. Very much lightweight. And the great thing about this crochet hair is the fact that they now have the invisible like latch area. See how thin that is? That's to help it like sit on your head a little better without having that huge knot on there. So this is supposed to help it like be more invisible, to help it lay flatter, and we definitely love that. But this is the braiding pattern we're using. Very simple. It does not need to be like an intricate parting at all, because the great thing about this hair is like it's gonna be super full. It does come with a little like crochet latch, but I usually go with these because I think they're easier to use. But they did send me like 5 packs of the hair, so that's what we'll be using. What I've been doing is looping it through the hair area itself and then pulling it through that way. I've noticed it's a little bit more like less tension. So anyways, you pull the part with the invisible line through all the way and stop right there, and then you can like loop the rest through the cornrow essentially. This is to help give it that like seamless front a little bit more. But if you have more edges than me, obviously then just leave out more hair, but in case you don't want to leave hair out. And then once I do that part, I just go in and crochet as usual. So we just take that again, and I like to crochet right over the front piece. And like I said, it gets stuck, so just be gentle with doing this because it will like hook into your hair, and the whole point is to have a protective hairstyle, so let's protect those strands. Now you can make this obviously as full as you want, so you just gauge it for yourselves.
Boning in the jumpsuit is like, I'm not kidding, I'm so ready to get out of this. But girls, everybody was like, yeah. I said, and this is why I had to make it work.
This is what the hair is giving so far. So nice and full. I haven't even like brushed it out or anything. I've just been finger detangling. You see that part? How natural that looks. And I think it's great when like the cornrows are not like too perfect, because it helps it kind of like blend in better. I don't feel like I have to tease it or anything like that. My front edges obviously are struggling, but it is very much like tension free. It's just tender because I haven't braided my hair in a little bit. But I love how lightweight this is right now, and I'm definitely gonna separate the curls. Maybe I'll brush it out and define it once I'm fully done. But we are now basically done with the back. I still have about this much hair left from the last pack, which is the 5th pack. I'm trying to decide if I want to add in more hair, which I feel like I might, just because it feels a little flat in the back than I think I like right now compared to how the front feels. But this is actually so stinking cute, and it feels so lightweight. Now I'm going to brush it out, and I think I want to do like one section at a time, to be honest, because I don't want it getting tangled up on me. What the end goal is, I'm not sure yet, but we'll figure that out after the fact. I started spraying it a little just to see what it's giving, and I think the water definitely helps. I might also have a little bit of conditioner in the spray bottle already, I'm not sure. And I'm trying to be real gentle with brushing this hair because, as I said, my scalp is crying a little right now, and this hair is barely hanging onto strands because my hair is like 1 inch long. Just take your time, do it in sections, don't go crazy. And then now I'm just gonna put it in like 2 twists. So we are done with the brushing out. Now I think I'm just gonna leave it to dry for a little bit, and then I'm going to undo the twist. I decided I'm definitely putting this in layers. This side is really cute, but I'm not a huge fan of like a lot of hair, at least like all the time. I love a good like shoulder length. Even honestly, it might end up coming up to here, but for now we're gonna leave it. So I did some face framing on this side to the best of my abilities. Cutting is not my forte whatsoever. Anybody who knows me knows I get scissor happy. All I did was kind of like just pull and try to figure out. Oh my god, this side is gonna be even harder because this is not my dominant side. So honestly, if you can get help with this part, I would advise to, because you can easily just like mess it up or just leave it alone. Okay, so here we are. This side definitely looks shorter than here. Then I'm going to come back with a full face, but it's giving. We're done! Don't you just love? Oh my god, this looks so stinking good. If my hair was long enough, I would have definitely done like a leave out situation, but I have nothing to leave out. I tried to leave out over here and it's just giving very much forehead, and you don't need to see that. So we went with this like bang middle part situation. This is what the back is looking like. Very much Babiana with the fro. I love her. It looks so good. The smell is gone because I put the leave-in in there, so that's what it smells like now. It feels super lightweight. I definitely feel like there's hair on my head, but it doesn't feel uncomfortable. And I had it styled like up earlier with a scarf for like a nice big updo, and it was definitely giving that as well. So there's definitely room for like styling with this hairstyle and all of that. I'm just personally not gonna do too much with it because one, my hair is short, so I don't want to keep pulling on it and then everything comes out, because the braids are barely like hanging in there, barely. But this is the Afro Kinky Hair from QVR Hair. I used almost all 5 packs that they sent me. I probably could have fit in more, but honestly I don't think I need more than I have on right now. The key really was to just like combing it out. Once that was done, like it filled up really nicely. So it really depends on the size of your head and how full you personally want it to look, but this works perfectly for me and I love it here. So if you need the details on this hair, I will put it in the description box below so you can access it from there. And don't forget to like, comment, let me know what you think. Would you rock this? Yes or no? I feel like this would be great in the winter, but I still like it for the summertime, honestly. So don't forget to subscribe while you're here, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Delilah, Delilah, why you wanna bring me so? Delilah, Delilah, why you wanna bring me so? I can tell you've been mixing